Hi, this is Joe from the platform. In this session, we will go over creating an application using the Platform Central UI and Git. Remember, you will need the following prerequisites to accomplish this. Git will need to be installed on your system, and you should have asked for an instance on the platform and received an email similar to this. The email will have two links. Click on the link to activate your account, and then set your password. And then log in. You are now on the welcome page of the platform, where you'll see Platform Central Service and a list of services. We'll click on Platform Central Service and launch it. On the right-hand side of the screen, we'll click the Create App button. I will enter an application name. I'll call it SlotMinder. I'll enter my email address. I will take the defaults and click on the Save button. Now Platform Central will create a blank repo on the platform and return the Git repo URL here. I will copy the Git repo. I will clone the Git repo in a convenient place on my file system. Note that the Git clone will create a directory with the same name as the application, in this case, SlotMinder. Next, I'm going to navigate to the SlotMinder directory and copy an application package from a sample application directory that I already have on my file system. I will perform a git add to add the files I want uploaded to the repo. Next, I will perform a git commit to commit the files and a git push to push the files to the remote repo. The current state of the application is success create, but now I'll refresh the window and you'll see the message has changed from create to deploying. The entire create application process can take a few minutes to complete, so be a little patient. Platform Central has to move the application to the remote repo and create and start up the application, so this takes a few minutes. To get the current application state, all you have to do is refresh the page. Now notice the message has changed from deploying to success deployed, and the runtime status is now started. Currently, all applications you create are provisioned to a special tenant. In this case, it is a PLC_ your email address tenant. Let's click on the square icon at the top of the page and switch to that tenant. Now you can see in your list of services the new application service, in this case SlotMinder. Click on the application and then it will run. You can create data as I do here. And that's it. It's that simple. So let's sum up what we've learned from this session. We've learned how to activate your account and log into the platform. We've learned how to create an application using the Create App button. We've learned how to clone the repo that was returned to you from the Create App process with git clone. We've learned how to add and commit files with git add and git commit. We've learned how to push the application to the remote repo on the platform with git push. We've learned that the application is provisioned under a special tenant called PLC_ your email address. And finally, we learned how to navigate to the newly created tenant and run the new application.